Hi guys! So recently we have gotten ourselves a Dustmite vacuum cleaner. So it's pretty sleek. So as you can see, usually Mijia always have white stuff. So on this side is the container where you keep it collects all the dust and mites. And they also have a cyclonic separator which is inside, and this is where all the air comes out. So to be fully charged, it will take about 3.5 hours, and then it will run for about 28 minutes averagely. On max mode, it will run about 8 minutes. So this button here is a heater. So at the same time when you vacuum, it heats up, but it's not very hot, it's a bit warm. So okay, now let's put it to the test. So now we will start vacuuming our sofa, and on normal mode. As you lift up, you will have a UV light to fill the gel. And then now we will try doing it on. So it's pretty loud, but it doesn't really affect anything. Shall we try on next mode? Come back to you after we have cleaned our whole sofa and share how it looks like in the container. Okay, so now we're back. We're gonna take out the dust from the container. So how you open is, you have to click this button and you pull out. And as you can see, there's this HEPA filter inside, and you have a few layers before the dust and mites go in. So shall we open it? So for the first layer, it is the sponge, and as you can see, oh my god, it's just a sofa, but okay. Alright, so this is the sponge. And then there goes the second layer. As you can see, there's still more dust. And our sofa is pretty clean, so it actually shocks me how much dust it can actually collect in just one sweep. So all these three items, you can actually use the water to just wash it away, but not the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter, you can actually lightly just brush it off, the dust on the top layer, and then you just place it back. Or you can use a hair dryer to blow it off in a toilet. So that would be easier, but do it on a low blow, so it will not just go everywhere. And then here at the back, you have this 20 cm long brush where you can actually, where it operates the dust collection. And here is where the heat comes out. So now I'm touching it. It's not hot, so it's pretty safe. Here you have the roller. And this is where all the UV light comes out from. So yep, overall, I really think this is a very good buy. It actually helps with my asthma, which I already have, and the sofa actually feels a lot more cleaner right now. So thank you guys.